best 75-inch TVs for mesmerizing TV watching and gaming. For standing in a class of massive size screens, a 75-inch TV is something one should definitely consider to amplify his TV viewing experience. Not only would a TV of this size provide you with immersive visuals for gaming or binge watching, but would also serve as an appealing and decorative addition to the beauty of your bedroom or living room. The best 75-inch TV, TCL 75R655. TCL 6 series has been a leading name in the realm of huge-size TV screens, and the prominent one that might have affected the sales of its competitors nowadays is the TCL 75R655, which made it in the market in 2022. The TV introduces some emboldened enhancements to its younger counterpart R635 series, while its availability in 55 to 85-inch screen sizes makes it rank among the most compelling options for a big screen TV available on the market. The TV offers a subtle combination of great picture quality and high value, backed by the mini LED tech that makes an exception among other TVs at its price. It also accompanies a stand mounted in the center of the screen that can be raised high to make some space for a soundbar. Besides being a big and eye-pleasing screen for TV watching, it also boasts some gaming features that can be enabled via a pair of HDMI 2.1 inputs. To further bolster its gaming prowess, the company has integrated onboard support for 120Hz, variable refresh rate up to 144Hz, and auto low latency mode, making TCL's flagship an obvious choice for gaming. The pros of the TCL TV is great brightness and contrast, 4K 120Hz and VRR 144Hz support, and affordable for a mini LED TV. Whereas the cons are thin-sounding built-in speakers, picture adjustments aren't easily accessible, and no ATSC 3.0 broadcast TV support.